Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Battery above 20% and at least 100 megabytes free, so the system can save changes. Now open settings and go straight to wallpaper or home screen and lock screen depending on your FunTouch OS version. Grant photos and storage permissions if the phone asks. Without them, you cannot pick custom images. Once done, tap lock screen wallpaper to begin choosing. This gets you into the right menu, so you can change the image and preview behavior immediately. You pick the image from gallery or live wallpapers, selecting a high-resolution photo to avoid pixelation. When the crop tool appears, use the 16:9 aspect or the system-suggested frame so the picture fits without shifting. Pinch and drag to position the subject. Make sure to enable or disable motion effects depending on preference, because parallax can misalign widgets. Then choose Apply as lock screen or both. Once set, preview the lock screen to verify alignment and legibility of clock and notifications. You finish by tapping Apply or Set, and then lock the phone to confirm the change appears. If the wallpaper does not save, reboot the device first. Often a restart resolves transient permission or cache issues. If problems persist, clear the cache for gallery and settings apps, because corrupted caches can prevent updates. As a final diagnostic, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party theme or lock app is overriding the wallpaper. Make sure to re-enable any disabled apps after testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.